In this guide, we'll show you how to attach the 3 menu buttons to your arcade cabinet. We assume that you already built a wire harness for a player. We've got the wire harness here, and we've got the breadboard. And we're going to use the other side of the breadboard. You have 3 buttons, the 3 JST connectors that come with it, the tape, male-to-male jumper wires, male-to-female jumper wires. The approach is very similar to the harness we did for the joystick. We're going to connect the JST connectors to the buttons, then we're going to connect it on the breadboard. Let's go ahead and do that. Take male-to-male connectors, 2 of them, put them on the JST connector, make some space here. And as before, I am going to work on a line of ground pins and on a line on the other opposite side for the other side of the key. And I'm going to repeat this 3 times for every joystick. Here, 2 wires. 1 wire goes to my row of ground pins, and then the other one goes onto its own row. It's 2, 3, 3, go. 2 wires, and 1 cable on the grounds, the other cable on its own row. Once you're done with that, you want to put 3 wires here on their row, 3 wires, and then secure the 6 wires, the 6 headers, and make sure they're on the correct row. See, I didn't get it right here. Make sure exactly in the same row. Once you have the 6 together, go ahead and put a layer of tape to secure them together. And at this point, you can actually remove it, finish taping, and then you'll be able to put them back easily. There we go. And we're going to do the same on the ground side. So we're going to get 1 male to female cable, put it on the row, put a layer of tape around it, secure them like so. A little bit of tape to make those 2 bunches of cables be together. The one that's loose is going to be ground. So here we go. We have our 3 buttons, our wiring. Remember that by the time you make a connection, it's a good time to put some tape. So I would want to do the 3 tapes here. But that concludes our harness. We got a harness with 1 player and our system buttons that are ready to be connected to the Raspberry Pi with these female headers.